The truly wireless earbud segment is overflowing with options for major and minor brands. I, as an avid audiophile, can understand the perplexity involved while choosing the best noise cancelling earphones. Most earphones generally come with some form of noise cancellation, but that is just useless and cannot stand up to the expectations of the best noise cancelling earphones. So in this video, I will showcase some best buying and best noise cancelling earphones. As always, you will find the links of all the products in the description down below, and we keep updating the links for the best prices available. So with that being said, the first one in our list is Edifier NB2. Edifier NB2 is a fairly economical earbud that makes our list of best noise cancelling earphones due to its exceptional approach to ANC. Edifier NB2 is certainly a well-crafted design, certainly different than the metallic shimmer that was prevalent on the Edifier NB. The earbuds are IP54 certified, so dust and dirt will not pose a problem in the long run. The earbuds clearly did a great job on the aesthetics as you get more elongated design like the AirPods Pro. Even the top part of the case has a textured finish so that it doesn't slide from your palms every time you hold them. I didn't expect the Sennheiser Buds quality from economically priced earbuds like these, but the audio fidelity underwent a major overhaul from the last iteration. Still, it does a better job at handling frequencies and is loud even at 50% volume. The ANC on the Edifier NB2 deserves a major applaud because of an identical performance if you compare them to the AirPods Pro. You can swiftly cut down on the background noise and make your conversations a lot clearer with ANC enabled. Edifier NB2 is fairly slim and the battery life is improved. Compared to its predecessor, you can expect 7 hours of playtime with ANC enabled, which is the highest in our lineup of best noise cancelling earphones. The case delivers a battery life of more than 2 life cycles. If you want a slightly cheaper noise cancelling earphone, the Edifier NB2 is your best bet. The earphone application needs a major improvement. It doesn't do anything to improve the quality of noise and crashes abruptly. So next up we have Apple AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro remains a stellar choice in our lineup of the best noise cancelling earphones. I don't have a plausible explanation other than you have to try them to find out if they are worthy of the crown even after so much evolution in the TWS industry. AirPods Pro is supposed to be a design improvement and they are different from its predecessor. The AirPods Pro has a shorter stem and a tiny design, which is much smaller than any noise cancelling earphones in the market. The case is slightly flattened to avoid the ridiculous bulge at 5.4 grams weight. Each earbud is exceptionally light, and combined with the case, the weight doesn't exceed 57 grams. Audio output is phenomenal. AirPods Pro has perfected the audio fidelity with the new H1 chip, but noise cancellation is our main concern. It is able to cut out the ambient noise and even has a transparency mode to allow the exterior noise to flow into your ear. The AirPods Pro has 3 microphones that provide a better calling experience while actively cancelling the background noise. The AirPods Pro is tiny, so the battery is quite less as compared to the other options for the best noise cancelling earphones. With active noise cancellation enabled, 3 to 3.5 hours is the maximum that you can expect. The case holds an additional battery life of 4 charge cycles. The case charges via USB Type-C cable or a wireless charging dock. AirPods Pro is a little pricey but is a marvelous piece of audio equipment. They are light as a feather and curb the external noise like a pro. If you are an iOS user, the choice is a no-brainer. So next up we have Sony WF-1000 XM3. Sony WF is the brand solution to the best noise cancelling earphones dedicated to Android users. It tries to claim the crown for the best noise cancelling earphones from the AirPods Pro and is even successful at it. Sony WF is a tacky and protruding set of wireless earphones. They do not try to hide and weigh 8 grams each, making it almost twice as heavy as the AirPods Pro. The case is severely flattened out and can mask the Bluetooth signal when the buds are inside it. Dimensions wise, the case is slightly bigger, but that is great news for battery life. Sony WF is the tiny version of its very successful headphones lineup. The earbuds have a 24-nit processor as opposed to the 32-bit on the Sony headphones, but the audio quality is quite good. Rock and pop are the two genres that are exceptionally good to hear, and the app allows you to adjust the equalizer too. Noise cancellation works like a charm, but the not so snug fit due to the large decision induces some sound leak into the ears. The battery life of the Sony WF is quite good, far better than the AirPods Pro. It can last up to 6 hours with ANC active, and it is a promising number. The case delivers up to 3 charge cycles and also supports fast charging. If you want to charge the case, the only option is a USB Type-C cable. The case supports reversible charging, so it can double up as a tiny power bank. Sony WF is not a subpar product. They sound good, cut the noise well, and have exceedingly good battery life. The case is big and can even charge the phone if you need a quick boost. They deserve to share the same spotlight as the AirPods Pro. So next up we have Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds. Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds tries to reclaim the noise cancellation crown from the previously mentioned contenders. The earbuds offer stellar noise cancellation combined with the decent battery life, which are the two reasons for it to feature in our list of the best noise cancelling earphones. Bose Quiet Comfort are not dainty at all. They are comparatively bigger than the AirPods Pro and weigh around the same as the Sony earbuds mentioned above. It is a rather quirky design that is more comfortable to wear due to a small silicone frame that adjusts into the ear ridge. Its charging case is quite beefy and is among the largest of them all. Bose Quiet Comfort come with active EQ that fine-tunes the melodies before entering the ear canal. The music output is nothing to complain about, while the noise cancellation earns our recommendation. The earbuds are among the very few to come with incremental levels of noise cancellation. It gives you more control over what you want to block and what not to. Bose Quiet Comfort promise a battery life of up to 6 hours on a single charge with varying levels of ANC enabled. The case contains 2 additional charge cycles worth battery life and charges via the USB Type-C port. Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds are a huge step up from the last year's Sound Sports Free. They demand a higher price than the AirPods Pro but actually come with the absolute best ANC that you can find on the market right now. So last one in our list is Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro comes with features worthy of being called a pro, but still needs to work a lot to catch up with AirPods Pro or the Sony earbuds. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro makes our list for having the bare minimum qualifications for being the best noise cancelling earphone. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro adopts the identical design of the Jabra Elite 85T but is a tad bit better in terms of visual appearance. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro adopts the identical design of the Jabra Elite 85T but is a tad bit better in terms of visual appearance. The case design remains unique to the Samsung Buds and is a tiny pocketable case overall. The earbuds are lightweight as compared to the Bose and Sony earbuds mentioned above but possess a protruding design that is far from being perfect. If you are an audiophile that can dissect out every minor detail, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is not so good choice. The audio is tuned by AKG but it lacks the detail that you get with a slightly expensive product like the AirPods Pro. Noise cancellation is a slight upgrade over the bean-shaped Galaxy Buds from the last year, especially the wind cancellation. Still, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is far from perfect if you are keen on audio quality and ANC combined. ANC chucks a lot of battery and brings the battery life down to 5 hours. After that, the buds can be charged twice in the case. With ANC off, the battery life improves significantly. The battery is a massive letdown from the original Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus that lasted around 11 hours. Active noise cancellation is a battery hog, and combining that with the Bixby Assistant makes it last only 5 hours. If you love the Samsung ecosystem and love the Find My Device feature, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro is made for you. So guys, these were the best noise cancelling earphones which you should try. So which one you are going to buy, please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more videos on latest gadgets, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.